quick disclaimer, I don't want to waste much of your time, so don't worry, but JDM cars, let's not get so technical. There are a couple in here that aren't technically JDM, but who cares? Okay, it's Japanese cars. The title's gonna say JDM just for a broader term. Everybody knows what JDM means anyway. And on top of that, there are a lot of JDM cars out there, so obviously this isn't going to include every single one. So if yours isn't in it, leave a comment down below, and I might make a part 2. Who knows? So just let me know if yours isn't in it, and I'll let you know what I think about you. But anyway, let's get right into the video. You're going with the safest option. It's extremely overrated, but it's still one of the best. You probably just cry yourself to sleep every night because the prices on this one are going up faster than the freaking Mark IV Supra right now. Do you like this one because it's actually a good car, or are you just incredibly horny? You probably just love driving fast as hell, and I'd love to watch you drive, but I would never in a million years get in the car with you. You're a really nice guy. You probably hold the door open for the girls and hold the hand of the elderlies when they're crossing the street. You are the complete opposite of that last guy. You probably wait for the last second, then slam the doors on the girls, and you tie the elderly to train tracks or something. You are just into the good old classics. You're old. Like, really, really old. You're old too, for sure, but you definitely know how to have a very good time. You're old, but you're more like Snoop Dogg old and a lot less like Joe Biden old. You're just as old as the last guy, but in my opinion, you have much better taste. You're so old, your freaking social security number is 2. You probably would wake up every day and ride the dinosaurs to school. Now this one is amazing, and you're probably very chill about owning it. You don't get into too much drama. You just own this one and you like it. Officer, it's this one right here. Arrest this sick man. You're definitely pretty weird, but you're more like Kramer from Seinfeld weird and less like Jeffrey Dahmer weird, if that makes any sense. Is this one really your favorite, or did you just need a cheap daily driver that can still be fun? You picked this one because it's a good daily driver as well, but you live somewhere where the wind hurts your face for like 5 months out of the year. You're very cool. You're probably pretty chill and laid back in life. You don't really get into too much, just like the other guy, you don't get into too much drama. You're also pretty cool, but you drive like an absolute maniac, like slow down. Every time I see you, they're animals. This one's good. This one's very good, but it's definitely not perfect like everybody says it is. Oh no, rewind, buddy. We went the wrong way. There you go. You got it right this time. This is the best one, and go ahead and yell at me in the comments. I don't care. This is the best one. You like Hondas a lot, but you didn't want to be seen as like the Civic guy, so you bought this one. No way, you actually know that one? Can we be friends, because this one is so sick. You just enjoy the simple things in life, which I can respect, you know? It's a modest car, to say the least. You only picked this one because it's a hell of a lot cheaper than the last one, alright? Let's be honest with ourselves here. You really like the Porsche 944, but you wanted it to make cool noises and like wake up your neighbors every time you start the motor. Hey, that one's my dad's favorite, and he's not a fan of JDM cars, but he does know a lot about cars, so that must be a good choice. Hey, that one is my mom's favorite, but she has no idea what 99% of these cars are, so take that with a grain of salt. You know what? I wanted to make fun of you, but it's growing on me, so I just can't. Good choice. If you picked this one, you are a liar. This is nobody's favorite, and don't even try to convince me, well, they made a body kit where it takes off all the black pieces on it. It's still not good. You are probably incredibly fun at parties, and no, I'm not being sarcastic. You're probably just a really good time to be around. You are just like the last guy, but you probably have a lot more felonies and a worse credit score, but hey, that could make it even more fun. You got this car as your first car, and you're just trying to save up for a new one. Alright, we get it. You like this one. You don't have to tell the entire world that you like it, though. Let's be honest, alright? You picked this one because you wanted to seem different. This one is very cool. It's arguably one of the coolest, but do you think that you would still like it if you were deaf? You're incredibly smart. You're like freaking Einstein. You probably always remember to open the microwave 1 second before the timer goes off. You probably always remember to get the correct socks. I don't know, but you're a smart man. Is this one actually your favorite JDM car, or did you just watch a little bit too much Adam LZ? You are one pretentious hipster. You are what the hipsters think they are. This one is a very good choice, but for the love of God, please be careful. You understand that every car is amazing in its own way. You don't buy into the social norms of what makes a JDM car so great. Let's be honest. You picked this one because it has pop-up headlights. You don't care that it handles horribly and it's very hard to work on. You like this one because it has pop-up headlights. If you pick this one, you are so close to being correct. This is the second best one. You are a child, and I mean that literally. Like, you are not yet an adult. You cannot buy alcohol. You are a child, and I mean that as an insult. Everywhere that you go, you are 100% the coolest guy in the room. Nobody even comes close to. You are like Puss in Boots from Shrek. You're just a side character that every once in a while you pop up to remind us that you're still pretty cool and you made a very good decision. You live a very happy life. You probably don't go out and you check social media all the time because you're always out ripping in this thing. You live life on the edge, and somebody really needs to have like a very long, heartfelt, like intervention type of talk with you. I would trust you with my children. And no, not just because it's a wagon. You're probably just a very trustworthy person. Dude, I mean, yes, the car is good, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't need a damn spokesperson, so just calm down. You don't really care about other people's opinions. You just like having loads of fun in an incredibly underrated platform. You really wanted a Miata, but your dad said that you have to buy something new and reliable. Miatas are reliable, Dad. Good choice, very good choice, but you probably just got into the JDM world and you have lots to learn. This one has probably the best reputation. Nobody hates it, nobody ever talks bad about it, and that's for a reason. You picked this one because it looks pretty cool, but you need to do a lot more research. Come on, man. Stop lying to me. You wish you could have gotten the S2000, but you're broke. Alright, that's why this is your favorite. You have amazing taste. This one is incredibly underrated. Just a good choice all around. I can't say anything bad about it. You just like being able to drive all the homies around, and we greatly appreciate it. Thank you for being the designated driver. This one may not be everybody's favorite. As a matter of fact, it's not many people's favorite, but it's yours, and you are totally chill about that. This one's very good. It's a very good car, but for the love of God, the fanboys of this one just make it massively overrated. You really like supercars like Ferraris and Lambos, but you want to be able to drive it without having to worry about the car blowing up, so you picked this one. And finally, if you picked this one, you are correct. This is the best one, and it's not even close. Don't even try to bring up apex seals. Don't even try to bring up crappy interior. It is the best one. There's no bias in that. There's a lot of bias in that, by the way. If you guys can't tell I'm being sarcastic, it's just my favorite. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. These videos take forever to make when it's like a full video. The shorts, which is what most of you guys know me from, don't take long at all. It takes me maybe like 10 minutes to make them, but these take forever. So if you guys would please just drop a like. I don't even, honestly, you don't even have to drop a like. Just thank you for watching all the way through. It means a lot to me. You don't have to do anything. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the support I've been getting recently. It means the world to me. These are a blast to make, even though they do take a while. They're fun because then I also get to like see every car that's like, okay, yeah, that I forgot about that Honda, or I forgot about this car, and it's cool to do that. So it really is enjoyable making these videos, and it seems like you guys like watching them. The Honda one, the extended Honda one, this is the extended JDM one, obviously. The extended Honda one's at like 30-something thousand views already. It's been like a week. So you guys obviously really like watching these videos, so I'm definitely going to keep doing them. Let me know what other extended versions you'd like to see. I'm still going to make the shorts, you know, I'm still going to do the 1 minute long shorts, but those ones never have, you know, all the cars in them. So I like to just make an extended version and add as many as I can, you know what I mean, and do like 60 different cars from different, like I have a script going right now. I'm writing a script out for the Nissan one, and then I'm also writing a script out for the racing games one. Those two you guys really liked, so I'm going to make an extended version of those. I'm also probably going to do it on the BMWs, maybe on Ford, because that one seems like it's doing pretty good. So we're definitely just going to keep doing these maybe twice a week for right now, until you guys want to see something else. But for now, it's doing good, so we'll keep doing them. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what your favorite JDM car is. Mine is obviously the FDRX7, but the S15 is a close second. I love the S15. I think it's a gorgeous car. I really look at cars in the terms of like looks. I just like looking at them. I do like them performing well, but I really like if it looks good. So to me, an FDRX7 just looks incredible. I love the taillights. I love how it has pop-up headlights. I love everything about it. And then the S15 is just such a close second. It's just so gorgeous. But anyway, guys, let me know what yours is. Let me know if any that I missed. I know I missed a lot of JDM cars, but cut me some slack here. And das Vidania. Have a nice night.